What is Xlure MST? Xlure MST is an innovative multi-species trap for crawling stored product insects. Xlure MST is formulated with 3 pheromones and 2 specialist food lures used to attract and target more than 12 different stored product insects. Xlure MST is made from polypropylene, which is a strong material capable of handling tough conditions. And to ensure insect capturing, the outer edges of the trap have been made rough to help insects grip on and crawl inside easily, while the inner edges of the trap have been made smooth to ensure that insects can't escape. There are 2 variations of the Xlure MST. First type, standard, utilizing vegetable oil. And second type, non-standard, this has no vegetable oil and is made for areas producing allergen-free products. What are the advantages of the Xlure MST? Capability to attract and capture more than 12 different species of stored product insects. It is easy to use and doesn't require constant monitoring and tracking. It has a 360-degree entrance to draw insects in. And because of its multiple release system, the Xlure MST consistently diffuses attractants to ensure constant insect capture.